We're going to have to come up with answers that set politics aside.
Hey, this is Clement G from Tennessee. I'm here representing Nashville Peacemakers, Mothers Over Murder, Straight Talk, Bullet Proof. They don't hear us.
They don't hear us.
Man, black father, a son, an uncle, a nephew, a cousin. They don't hear us.
They don't listen. They don't hear us. They not listening.
They don't hear us.
And we're gonna bring you some stuff that's gonna make you feel better. They don't hear us.
I keep telling them, but they ain't listening, bro.
Hello, my name is Amana Sera. I'm from Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and they don't hear us. Yo pas nous. That's it.
I come to proudly share with you about a Rock Square 357 production entitled They Don't Hear Us.
They don't hear us.
Get together, stop killing.
Hey y'all, my name is Courtney Teasley. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Nashville. I'm also the CEO of MFN.
And I am Sheryl Huff, and I am with the Middle Tennessee National Action Network here in Nashville, Tennessee.
So I want to thank y'all for coming here today. I'm very excited to be on this episode of They Don't Hear Us, especially talking about my social enterprise that I actually am just now launching. It is a Black woman millennial-owned social enterprise that creates proactive products and services to disrupt and dismantle the criminal justice system of oppression. And in other words, we create premium quality options for the DAM community. And when I say DAM, I mean the disproportionately affected, marginalized minority, otherwise known as the hood by those of us who grew up there. So I'm happy to be here. I'm excited to be able to break this here in my hometown. I'm a Nashville native, and what we're here to talk about.
So we're here to talk about today about knowing our rights, what our rights are when it comes to the legal system, and to know what we need to know when it comes to hiring an attorney or things that we need to know that we don't know. And once we get educated by Ms. Teasley, and then we'll be okay. So,
well, with MFN, the thing is we amplify the voices of the least of us. And so in that spirit, I actually do Know Your Rights seminars a little different, but because we're actively fighting a case in real time, I'm going to use this case and we'll go through it, but throughout it, I'll teach you about rights that you need to know and things you need to look out for, and we'll just kind of have a good chat surrounding that. Is that cool?
That sounds good to me.
All right. Awesome. So I want to talk about the first initiative that MFN has ever launched, and it's called #Disrupt Manchester. And so I got brought onto this case by Sheryl, who believes in me a whole lot and always calling on me. But just a little backstory, I had been for the last 6 months, haven't been taking any new criminal cases because I've been building that social enterprise, right?
Right.
And so I was not inclined to take any just criminal case. You know, I've been passing them along. I've been helping people proactively prepare. Like I'll help do their strategic case preparation. We'll build out your defense. We'll do all that strategy, talk about different things. You know, I educate you on everything, but I was done going to court. And then Sheryl gave me a call about this case with a family of 7 who unfortunately were coming from Georgia, just driving to Illinois for a funeral. Had got up real early and packed their kids in the car. I want to less than 3.5-month-old at that time, a 2- and 3-year-old, and a 5- and a 7-year-old. And they're on the way down the street going to a funeral, and a state trooper gets behind them. The state trooper gets behind them, and he says he pulled them over because of their window tints. And he also pulled them over because of what they call the slowpoke law, where maybe they were trying to pass in a lane or something. We know what that means, right? We live in Nashville,
Exactly.
3720A. You remember the Driving While Black report?
That's right.
Yes. So
Yes.
this didn't happen in Nashville, but it's context for you to understand that
What's happening in Tennessee.
Exactly. So those type of things, when you hear somebody say, I'm gonna pull you up for window tint, driving while, or slowpoke law or something of that nature, that just means that's code word for driving while black. You're black, and now I'm gonna pull you over to see what else I can find out, right?